Yes, students, let's continue. Now, I have spoken about a word that is compassion. Compassion means pity and concern for those suffering. Now, in this age, we don't have concern or pity for others. This thing within human being is lacking. So, the author is asking us to inculcate and be pity for others. Okay. Now, the next one, that is second paragraph. Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in this world, we shall have to begin with the children. I humbly add, let us unite the world through compassion for our children. I ask, whose children are they? Who stitches football, yet never played with one? जो व्यक्ति कि जो इंसान फुटबॉल को सिलाता है वो कभी फुटबॉल खेलता नहीं. Whose children are they who harvest coca yet have never tasted chocolate? जो व्यक्ति कोका उगाता है वो कभी शायद चॉकलेट खाया भी नहीं होगा या टेस्ट भी नहीं किया हो. कहने का मतलब जो केक बनाता है केक वो खाता नहीं है, बनाने वाला केक नहीं खाता है. नाउ whose children are they who are dying of Ebola? Now Ebola एक ऐसा वायरस है. It is a kind of virus that causes bleeding and failure of our organs and can lead to death. It is a severe problem which is caused by the Ebola virus. Whose children are they who are kidnapped and held hostage? They are all our children. I remember an 18 years old girl was rescued from intergenerational forced labor from stone quarries. When she was sitting in my car right after her rescue, she asked me, why did you not come earlier? Her anger, her angry question still shake me and has the power to shake the whole world. Her question is for all of us. What are we doing? What are we waiting for? How many children will we allow to go without rescue? Children are questioning our inaction and watching our action. We need collective actions with a sense of urgency. Every single minute matters. Every single child matters. Every single childhood matters. Therefore, I challenge the passivity and pessimism surrounding our children. I challenge this culture of silence and this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. That means the author is asking we should not say or be silent. We have to take actions to save the girls or those who are having problems. We have to save them. Okay. Now I will do part 3rd from page number 83. Next video I will do for you.